guys, I got something really cool. This is a Strutbar from Grocery Getter Racing. We're gonna go ahead and toss it on this bad boy right here. So these come off with a 9/16, nope, 15 millimeter, 13 millimeter socket. And those come off. They're not too terribly tight. I'm sure this is gonna throw my alignment completely off, but hey. So we're just going to go ahead and unscrew these and toss the strut bar on top of that. Let's go ahead and do that real quick, and then we'll just go ahead and screw it down before it goes off. Try not to bump the car so it doesn't throw it off too bad. Pretty sure it'll screw it up completely though. So I'm trying to do this one-handed. I don't really have my mount that I wanted to do this with, but it's whatever. So that's on there, and that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten down the bolts, and I'll show you guys exactly what this looks like. I just don't want to screw up my alignment too bad. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and get this installed. Obviously I got the bolts in, and of course a vehicle would come by. But I got the bolts in, and they are torqued down to, I think, 15-20 foot-pounds, somewhere around there. I don't exactly remember. It's been a couple days. I think that's already rusting. So yeah, that's it. But the color match is pretty good. I gave him the paint code, so it's pretty much on point. As far as that goes, we got the yellow in there, which is it's a slightly darker shade, but there's not really any way to tell what that is. So, yeah, there's no complaints really. I'm completely fine with everything that I was sent. It was a little bit on the expensive side. Should I tell you guys? Yeah. I'll let you guys order one for yourself and find out the price. But the only thing that I have an issue with is the little edge here. There is a gap on there, as you can see, and I want to kind of sink this plate up to the top of this and then paint the edges of that body color. So that's the only thing that I have really as far as complaints, but everything else is beautiful on it. It just looks amazing. But yeah, that's all I got. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video of me installing this and screwing up my alignment. I'm not sure if you actually screw up your alignment, but hope you guys enjoyed this short video. That's all I got for you. I got a couple other videos coming out. I believe the Mod to Fame meet video is going to come out after this one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I believe I'm going to upload this today on Saturday. I believe today is. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Yep. We're just gonna do this awkward talking after the video ends, but you know, it's whatever. You know, I just sit here and talk. I did order some HIDs instead of these LEDs that I have. So that's pretty cool. But if you guys are still here, I thank you anyway. It's only been like a couple minutes, but you know, it's whatever. That's on you guys. Thanks for being here still. You know, I'm just gonna keep talking until you guys exit the video or give it a like, you know, because why not, right? But yeah, so yeah, okay, awesome, sweet, yep, cool.